Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got a phone that's been making some serious waves in the budget market. It's the brand new Tecno Pop 10. This phone delivers essential features without emptying your pockets, from its sleek design to its massive battery. Without further ado, let's dive into what makes Tecno Pop 10 tick and whether it's the right choice for you. Unboxing. Let's start with the unboxing experience. Inside the Tecno Pop 10 box, you'll find the smartphone itself, a 10-watt power adapter, a USB Type-C cable, a protective case, a pair of headphones, and a SIM eject tool. It's refreshing to see Tecno include a case and headphones, as many budget phones skip these extras. The packaging is simple but functional, setting the stage for a no-frills device. Design and build quality. Okay, let's talk design. Now you're probably looking at this and thinking, this looks familiar. This design is heavily represented to the iPhone 16. It's like Tecno looked at the iPhone 16 and said, we want that sleek minimalistic vibe. Seriously, if Apple and Tecno had a phone baby, this would be it, minus the $1,000 price tag. It has a glossy back finish and it feels light yet sturdy. You've got a power button and volume controls on the right and a rear-mounted fingerprint sensor. Is available in vibrant colors like Magic Skin, Gravity Black, Mystery White, and Apple Glow Gold. Display quality. Moving to the display, the Tecno Pop 10 sports a 6.6-inch HD Plus IPS LCD screen with a resolution of 720 by 1612 pixels. While it's not full HD, the display is bright enough for indoor use and offers decent color accuracy for its class. The standout feature here is the 120Hz refresh rate, which is uncommon in budget phones. For watching YouTube and browsing, it's a solid performer, though outdoor visibility may require some squinting on sunny days. The performance. Under the hood, the Tecno Pop 10 is powered by a Unisoc T606 chipset, paired with 3GB or 4GB of RAM and 64GB or 128GB of expandable storage. This setup is tailored for basic tasks like calling, texting, WhatsApp, and light browsing. Social media apps run smoothly, and you can enjoy lightweight games like Candy Crush without issues. However, don't expect it to handle graphic-heavy games or intense multitasking. For casual users, it delivers reliable performance without major lag. The AI features. The Tecno Pop 10 keeps AI simple but effective. The camera benefits from AI scene detection, which optimizes settings for different environments, and beauty mode for selfie. Face Unlock uses AI to secure and quick access, complementing the side-mounted fingerprint sensor. There's already an intelligent digital assistant like Google Assistant for voice commands and queries. These features enhance usability without overwhelming the user. Software. The Tecno Pop 10 runs Android 14 Go Edition, a lightweight version of Android designed for low-spec devices. This ensures snappy performance despite the modest hardware. The interface is clean with essential Google apps. It's user-friendly, making it ideal for first-time smartphone users or those who prefer simplicity. However, there is no guarantee for future Android updates. The camera. For photography, the Tecno Pop 10 features a dual-rear camera setup with a 13MP primary sensor and a 12MP secondary sensor, likely for depth effects, paired with a dual LED flash. The 8MP front camera handles selfies. In good lighting, the wide camera captures decent shots with acceptable color and detail, perfect for Instagram and WhatsApp. Low light performance is weaker with grainy images. The selfie camera is adequate for video calls and casual selfies. AI enhancements like scene detection and beauty modes add some flair, but don't expect flagship level photography. The battery. One of Tecno's Pop 10's strongest suits is its 5000 mAh battery. With moderate use, think social media, calls, and some streaming, it easily lasts a full day. Light users might even stretch it to 2 days. Charging is handled by a 10-watt adapter, taking about 2 to 3 hours for a full charge. While it's not the fastest, it's standard for this price range, and the long battery life more than compensates. Sound and connectivity. The audio is pleasant surprise, with dual speakers delivering decent sound for music and videos. It's not audiophile grade, but it's loud enough for casual use. The inclusion of a 3.5mm headphone jack and FM radio is a nod for budget users who value these features. Connectivity includes 4G Lite, Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5.0, and a USB Type-C port, covering all the essentials. The price. The Tecno Pop 10 is priced at approximately $70 in the US. 103,000 naira in Nigeria, 7,999 Indian rupees, and 1,500 rands in South Africa, based on estimated conversions from USD. These prices make it a steal for the features offered, especially the high refresh rate and IP64 rating. If you're on a budget and looking for a sleek, reliable phone that can handle your basic needs, a Tecno Pop 10 is a solid choice. It has that iPhone 16 inspired look, a decent camera, and enough power to get through the day. It's not a powerhouse, but it's definitely a great value for money. I would say it's perfect for budget-conscious buyers, anyone who needs a secondary phone, or for students. That's all for the review of Tecno Pop 10. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss an update. Let us also know in the comment section what you think about this Tecno Pop 10 and the amazing features it has, especially the iPhone 16 inspired design. Until next time, stay creative, live in the moment. I'll see you in the next video.